Okay, hi guys. I was wondering if you like Minecraft. Probably yes, because you were watching my Minecraft video. But look at these simple pictures. So this is a complete pickaxe. This is not complete pickaxe. This is a sword.
It's too close. You gotta back up, dude.
Well, yeah. I'll have to show you again. This is a complete pickaxe. This is not complete. And this is a complete sword. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my new toy. So yeah, I'm gonna need to back up a whole bunch. Look, seriously, look. Right now it's a pickaxe. Now it's a sword. Oh my gosh, I bet you're freaking out. I'm freaking out too. So that's all I have to show you today, guys, but I can show you a game. Okay. If you get this, you can pretend to be fighting zombie like or you can play the mining game. So you're mining and a zombie is chasing you. You get the middle, which is a piece of redstone, and then you mine back up without the zombie getting you. So yeah, bye guys. Bye.